In this last problem, we're asked to look at the diagram, and x can represent different values in each problem. And we are being asked to tell something that is definitely true and something that could be true. So we're looking at x. We're determining x. Well, x right here is here. So looking at this, x is to the left of 0. So x is definitely negative. It's also definitely less than, it's definitely less than 0. It's definitely greater than -1. We can say all those things. We could possibly say, could be true, x actually equals -1/3. Maybe that's negative, it's less than half, so -3, I don't know, something less than half, okay? All right, so that's what could be true. It could be x equals -1/3, maybe -1, maybe -1/4 even, maybe -1/5, okay? All right, this one, we have x over here. Well, we know x is definitely positive. We know that it's definitely greater than 1. We know it might be x equals 1 1/3. It might be x equals 1 1/4. Those are things that could be true. All right, now it gets a little tricky. We are given -x, but we've been asked to tell things about positive x. So I want you to think about the sign as being the opposite of x. Now, where would x be? Well, x is going to be opposite of this. So where would that be? It would be in the same place, but on the opposite side. So x is going to be right there. So now we know that x is definitely positive, and we know that it definitely is greater than 1. We also know that it's definitely greater than 0. Could it be x equals 1 1/2? Sure, that's a possibility. Could it be x equals 1 5/8? Yes, it could be. We don't know for sure. All right, so looking at this one, here is the opposite of x. The opposite of x is here. So remember we talked about, where is x going to be? X is going to be in the same place, the same distance away from 0, but on the other side. So this is where x is going to be. So we know that x is definitely negative. We know it's definitely less than 0. And it could be, x could equal -2/3. Okay?